going on?
Hey, so welcome back to our channel. Of course, I'm Tenaj.
And I'm Tino.
And if you guys saw our last video, you know that we had a really hard time driving to Cancun. So after weeks in the van, we decided to rent a house.
So today, we're gonna show you our nice little house that we rented in Tulum, Mexico.
It's beautiful, as you can see already, but let us show you the rest. So as we walk through the gate, you can already feel the tranquility of this place. It's like the lush greenery, the vibrant colors. It's seriously a paradise. I can't wait to show you. Come on.
Alright guys, so welcome to our patio. As you can see, it's behind me. Gypsy's over there, and that's our front door. This is usually where we chill out in the morning and have our little coffee. It's a pretty nice little patio. It's very breezy here. We get the birds that we get to listen to in the morning. The floor is nice and colorful. It's a pretty nice, cool spot. The wind is always blowing, as you can tell. We also have a hammock over there. It's hanging. Our landowner Luca just got it for us yesterday.
Okay, so the moment I know you guys have been waiting for, our house tour. But before we jump into the house tour, we wanted to tell you guys a little bit about why we picked this place.
Yeah.
Well, one of the reasons was because it has a backyard, and you guys know that Gypsy likes to run around, so she has so much space here to run around, and there's another dog. The dog is like 2 years older than Gypsy, and they play perfectly together.
They do. And another reason was actually the landlord. He's an excellent neighbor. He actually watches he watched Gypsy for us when we're out of town, and we did go out of town for a quick second. He's invited us over for dinner.
Ah, okay.
And why you gave us two? ¿Por qué no diste dos?
Porque ellos luego tienen harina.
Lunch multiple times. We're always drinking over there. Wine, he's Italian, and he's giving us some real good, authentic Italian food that has been great.
Great,
Yes.
I tell you.
So this place is definitely nice.
So I think that one of the reasons for me why we picked this place was because it had the perfect spot to park the van. The van is right outside of our house. It sits in, I want to say, an alley, but it's not really an alley. It's a street that does not get used. So it's under trees. I mean, it's somewhere safe, and yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, and another spot for me, I think it's off the beaten path. It's like it's in the neighborhood, and it's away from the main strip where like all the tourists are. You know, we're like really living here with like the locals, and it's just it almost feels like we're in a jungle, but we're not.
Definitely feels like we're in a jungle, and we are definitely with the locals. I mean, right around the corner we have a place that we go and get our laundry done, and then right across the street from that we have a place where we go get our croissants in the morning. So we are actually acclimating to the neighborhood pretty good, I'd say.
We haven't had any problems, and you know, it's a little bit noisy on the main street, but not on I guess the side street next to the house. But Other than that, I mean, you don't hear it when you're sleeping.
So we are going to take you inside and we're going to show you our humble abode, and we hope you guys. That's all. I mean, that's basically it, guys. We have a 1-bedroom apartment. It comes with
water included.
Water is included. Internet is included. The lights are included. Gas. The pet sitter is included.
The great hospitality, the Italian
the amazing
cooking.
Italian food is included, and nothing but good vibes.
Right.
Unlimited good vibes.
Yes.
And I'm so happy that we lucked up on this house. And I know that you guys are wondering, okay, so how much are you paying for this house?
We're
per
actually
month?
paying 700 USD, which comes out to, I think, 12,000 Mexican pesos.
So yeah, we're paying $700 a month for the house, and like I said, everything is included. I mean, you don't have to worry about anything. And yeah, there were some other places that were probably a little bit cheaper, but gas, the lights, just the electricity, everything was not included.
Right.
And we kind of move our vibes, and he had an amazing vibe, and he made us feel so comfortable and so welcome that we decided to stay here. And I'm so glad we did, because we are in the middle of a Mayan neighborhood.
Right. And I think the best part about being in I think like Tenaj was saying, other places may be cheaper, but they're probably like in an apartment condo where you're just full of neighbors all over the place, and you're full of like I'm gonna say tourist visitors, you know, people that just come here to live for like 6 months. But here we're like the only ones here other than like our upstairs neighbor, which we rarely see, and Luca, which is our next door neighbor. And you know, we're not basically surrounded with apartment doors.
People.
Yeah.
Not that we don't like people.
Right, you know, but you know,
yeah.
you get a little more privacy. You know, we're able to walk out on a patio and no one really bothers us. I don't think you have a patio probably in a condo, and if you do walk out there, you're probably gonna be you're gonna see lots of things.
Let's just say I'm glad we chose this spot.
Yeah, if you hear in the background some kids yelling, that's actually there's a school.
We're right next to a school as well.
Yeah, we're not immediately next door, but we're a little bit from them, and you can hear the kids yelling. They're out in recess.
But they're okay.
Yeah.
They're okay. Nothing's happening. But anyway, guys, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. That's it, guys. We actually have a movie premiere to go and see tonight, and I don't have anything else to say.
That's it.
Alrighty then, we're out of here. Deuces.